One.
Hi guys. So today we are opening the Septa Broad Street Line (BIV) Southeastern Pennsylvania Wooden Railway. And so this train goes in Pennsylvania in Fernlockton Center. And I'm gonna show you.
I can open it.
Let me open it. That it's already damaged and I'm going to open it. And give me a sec to get out the mini pasta. Hold on. That's beautiful. Okay. Oh, that's warm. Okay, anyway. So, this is the Broad Street Line, Septa.
Inside, this is a square. The left is a circle, and the line.
Yeah, I see.
Here.
Okay, I see.
So sorry. So this is it, and thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.